with anyone.
I'm not a politician. I'm a lawyer. I act inconsistent with the law.
Did anyone instruct you not to allow Finda to go to jail? Did any instruction come from anywhere?
My only instruction is the instruction from the court.
Well, you were appointed by the president. The president who instructed you as well. Was there any instruction from the office?
Don't bring in the name of the president. The president is not part and parcel of this trial. It's a legal procedure.
Not go to jail, or you just going by the legal procedure this title?
Were you in court?
I'm asking, were you
in court? Did you listen to the proceedings?
Then 2 times now that
did you listen to the proceedings?
Get challenged by you, by your team.
Well, I can't comment. I no comment on legal issues and not insinuations by you. Thank you.
So we just listened to the head of the asset recovery and property retrieval task force, the media man who is not usually into the legal aspect of it, but he understands the programs and policies and all those things that asset recovery is carrying on. Is here with us. Welcome. Thank you. We just saw what happened here at the court. What's the next process as it relates to this entire case?
So the case, as we may know, this was just a bond hearing, and it clearly shows that Madam Bondo does not have a valid bond now, so she could be arrested anytime in order to be incarcerated. If a valid bond is not secured, she will remain in prison, and this is part of the legal process. Everything that we do is definitely part of the legal process. We follow the court as you listen to the chairman. Everything that we follow is basically through legal means, following the court process.
On 2 occasions, you've challenged this criminal appearance bond. What are some of the trickles that gives your legal team, that view to know that these things, the criminal appearance bond was defective?
So we have a very strong legal team, strong investigators who are ensuring that we are able to look at these things, review them, because the essence of a bond is to ensure that people don't just leave. So we got to ensure that the bond is qualified as it meets the legal standard. So that's why Arab has been pushing for, to ensure that the bond reach the legal standard set. And the first bond did not qualify. And this also, we've been able to prove that in court. So it is the court process. We're going through it and ensuring that every step of the way is corrected, because some of these things, if they are not corrected, we may have somebody fleeing the country and Arab will be held liable. But we did not challenge the bond. We did not ensure that we have sufficient legal guarantee to hold the person accountable.
Is this something the Arab is going to celebrate?
It is not something to celebrate. It is something to look at as a win for Liberia, that we have an institution that is willing to fight for the people, to fight against corruption, because these are very grave allegations. All those who have been indicted, they are grave allegations. So we have to look at that, the allegations, and we have to look at the institution fighting. So this is time that we encourage all Liberians to support the asset recovery process, because we have an institution that is willing to go beyond, to continue to ensure that those who allegedly committed crimes in Liberia are held to account. And that is why we are committed to, we'll continue to do that. We'll continue to challenge these bonds. We'll continue until we reach the trial. So, and these bond hearings, those of you who are following, you'll get to know that the team is definitely prepared to go into full trial, and those who committed the crime allegedly will be convicted.
So as it stands, what can you assure Liberians so far?
We want to assure Liberians that the legal process takes time, but we have an institution that is fighting, an institution that is committed to ensure that we will be able to hold everyone to account for what they have done. If you are a leader, if you were an official of government, or if you are a current official of government, whatsoever you do, your stewardship, you should be able to give account. And that is what Arab is doing. We are committed to that. We've been able to win all of the motions that we filed. All of the motions that we filed, you've been following from different cases we've been able to win them, and the task force is prepared. The chairman just stated that the entire team is prepared to ensure that we're able to go before the courts and be able to convict some of the people and to be able to retrieve assets that were stolen from the Liberian people.
Now, Liberians are listening to you. They want to hear clarification in terms of partiality in your ruling.
We follow the evidence. I think Liberia should be looking at the allegations levied. They should be looking at the documents, the indictment, what these people have been accused of. And also, we're using a court process. It is not any form of jungle justice. It is the court that we are using. Those people who have been accused are entitled to counsel, legal counsel. They have been fully represented. So let Liberians follow the legal process. Let us look at wheresoever the evidence be, there where we go. We do not target people. We
Thank you.
follow
Let's
the
come back to
evidence.
this.
Thank you very much.
Bond was in fact and the number of government was passed.
It is the court, not the government. The court